In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up for your Shopify store using Popup pop-up builder. So we're going to be able to design and create whatever style of pop-up we want using the drag and drop builder. We're going to be able to show it according to the conditions we set on specific pages or wherever. We can track the results, we can store leads if we have a newsletter sign up. And if you stick around to the end of this video, you're also going to get a link to a downloadable 5-minute strategies playbook. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the pop-up that we're going to be building. It's just a very simple discount code pop-up. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to generate a discount code in the Shopify interface, and then we're going to select a template and maybe customize it a little bit or add some bits and bobs that we want. We're going to insert the pop-up discount code into our pop-up, and then we're just going to take it from there. So of course you can design whatever pop-up you want. I don't know what your use case is, but in this case, we're just going to design a very simple discount code pop-up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a free account. So if you go to popuphawk.com, then all you need to do is follow the steps to create a free account. Now, I'm not going to be creating an account in this video because I've already created one, so I'm just simply going to be logging in. So the next thing we want to do is after you've created a free account and logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. So what we want to do is we want to link your Popup account with your Shopify account. So in order to do that, we need to install the tracking script. So if you go to the tracking script page and you simply just copy the installation script, and we're going to want to paste that into Shopify. So if we edit the code in our theme, and if we go to the theme.liquid file, all we need to do is find the closing body tag and then simply paste in the script and then press save. Now you don't have to put it at the end of the body tag. You can also put it within the head, for example, but in this video, we're just going to keep it inside the body tag. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to create our discount code on the Shopify discounts panel. So if we navigate to discounts, it's going to be pretty simple. We're just going to create a discount, and I just want an amount off my order. So if I click into here, I want a percentage of, say, 10% off. And if I call the pop-up, say, hello 10, then we know that this is a discount code that we want to use in our pop-up. So if we now save that, then the discount should be created. So we can use this code in our pop-up. So now that we've generated our discount code and we have installed the Popup tracking script on our Shopify account, the next thing we want to do is to create the actual pop-up. So if we go to my account and then we create a new campaign, I'm just going to fill in some random details. And it's a coupon, and we're not going to be storing any leads in our database because this isn't a newsletter sign up pop-up. This is just a coupon pop-up, and I'm just going to select a basic template. There's many more we can choose from, but I'm just going to keep it simple. And the first thing we want to do is we want to insert our discount code. So it's not save 10, it's hello 10. And of course we can potentially add anything else like a line or whatever, or new content, but I don't really want to do that. I think it's fine as it is. And what I do want to do though is I want to just make the pop-up a little bit wider. So if I just add to the width, and I also want to give it a nice box shadow. So I want to use this as my main color. Of course you can, by the way, add a hex code if you want to be very specific. Let's say we want a border radius of 10 pixels and a spread radius of 3 pixels. And I don't want it to be so in your face, so I'm just going to reduce the opacity a tad. And if we preview it, I think that looks okay. So if we go to next, and I don't want to spam my users, so I want to only show it when they're about to leave. Of course, you can show it however you want, but in this case, I'm going to make it as an exit intent pop-up. And I want to show it on all devices, so mobiles and desktops. And we could, for example, include an inclusion rule. For example, if you wanted to only use it in the checkout, we could, for example, make sure the URL contains the word checkout. But in this case, I don't want to do that because I'm just demoing it to you. But that is how you would do that. And that should be the campaign created successfully. So the only thing we need to do now is just turn it on. So that should now be on. And if we now go back to our store, and what I want to do is I just want to preview this. But to make sure there's no cache, I'm going to do it in an incognito window. And then if we try to escape, then as you can see, we have got the pop-up showing right in front of us with the Hello 10 discount code that we added. So it's very simple to create, and we can of course design it however we want. So that is how to create a pop-up on Shopify. Now, of course, there are more different types of pop-ups than just discount pop-ups, so you can obviously create whatever type you want and design it however you want. And don't forget to download the free 5-minute pop-up strategies guide from popuphawk.com/guide. You can download it for free. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.